In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Chatgpt power user in 30 minutes. Whether you're a newcomer to artificial intelligence or someone looking to enhance your current skills, this guide is tailored just for you. Firstly, let's start by opening Chatgpt and logging into your account. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to create a reliable username and password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main interface where all the magic happens. Remember, this space is your gateway to interacting with one of the most advanced language models available today. Next, it's essential to understand what Chatgpt really is. Developed by OpenAI, Chatgpt is an AI designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. It leverages vast amounts of data to mimic human conversation, offering a powerful tool for tasks such as writing, coding, learning, and more. By knowing its capabilities, you can maximize its potential in your daily activities. Now, let's explore how you can turn Chatgpt into a multi-step system. Essentially, this involves breaking down complex queries or tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. By doing so, you can provide Chatgpt with clear, sequential instructions, enhancing the accuracy and relevance of the responses. Think of it as setting up a flowchart for your task or problem, just in text form. This is particularly useful for projects requiring a structured approach or continuous input over time. An exciting feature of Chatgpt is its ability to handle various media. For a richer interaction, you can click the plus icon to upload images and files. This capability extends the functionality of Chatgpt beyond text, enabling you to incorporate visual data into your sessions. Whether you're working with charts, diagrams, or photos, uploading files can provide additional context that Chatgpt can use to offer more precise and informed responses. Finally, when you start chats, it's crucial to set both the role and the goal of the interaction. Think about what you want Chatgpt to be in the context of your session: a tutor, a creative partner, or perhaps a technical advisor. Clearly defining the role will help tailor the interaction to better meet your needs. In conjunction, setting a clear goal allows you to drive the conversation forward effectively, ensuring that each interaction is productive and aligns with your objectives. Becoming a power user of Chatgpt means engaging with this tool thoughtfully and strategically. By understanding and applying these steps, you can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. Take some time to explore each of these features deeply, and you may find Chatgpt not just useful, but indispensable in your digital toolkit.